Bitcoin dominance, right? Everybody's wondering when alt season is coming. I'm going to show you something here that will give you a lot better idea, right? Okay, we're going to break this down. I'm going to show you how close we are to the big finale here, okay? Back in, obviously back here in 2019 when we hit the 618, we had an mini alt season here, right? We came back up, hit the 618 again here, 2021. I was here through all this. Ended up having a massive alt season here. It happens fast, man. It really does. Each one of these candles represents a month, but when your wallet is increasing by 20%, 30%, your coins are going up 50, 60, 70% a day. It seems like it only lasts for a week. It goes fast, but you can see here this big dump. All right, then we have our bear market. Back here was the bear market. When Bitcoin dominance gets up to that 618, we have the alt season. 618 alt season. We're back here at a 618. Okay, getting ready to break down. If we zoom in on here, all right, we're on a monthly chart here. Here's your support line, the yellow line coming through here. All right, this is Bitcoin dominance support. We're right back on that line again. All right, had somewhat of a breakdown here. We're going to end up, I guess we're going to move that line out here now, right? Right with the moving average here, right on it. So we'll move it out here, but this breakdown is coming, all right? On the monthly, the RSI, bearish divergence here, right? I believe so. Yeah, we have this high here. We have a higher high on, we'll call it price, it's dominance, but we have a lower high on the RSI. And on the weekly, look at this bearish divergence. We have this high, all right? Pull this up so you can see it. All right. We have this high here on the dominance. Then we have a higher high in the dominance. We have this high, then we have a lower high. That's bearish divergence, showing weakness and down pressure. Okay. Now with Elliott waves, if you're not familiar with Elliott waves, so those of you that watch the channel know Elliott waves form out in these waves. You get sets of 5 normally. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 waves started in here. Okay. If we're going a little bit closer, because we want to know when's this coming, right? You got the daily RSI rolling over. Okay, now let's look at something in here. I want to show you something. This section right here, this is one wave in here. Okay, this one section here. This would be. Oh, I apologize. You got 5 waves, but we're going to break it down here. Okay, so we know what's going on. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Okay, that one was completed. We had a 5 waves down in here for the correction. 3, 4, 5. Okay, that correction is completed. Over in this section here, we're working on this wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, you got 5 waves there. All right, and we have a correction in here. Looks like an ABC correction. Now we're starting that very last wave. Okay, it's a little junky in here, this dominance. Okay, with it bouncing around, double top, triple top, but we are looking for the final wave in this. Right, we're looking for the final one to complete this dominance, complete this chart, and finish this thing. Right, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now inside here you got 5 waves. What are we working on? Pretty clear. All right, if you want to learn this stuff, guys, sign up for a level 3 membership. Come join us in Discord and trade this market. We leverage trade over there. We're doing great. All right, we're nailing some major trades. Just nailed a nice Caspa short we're in right now. Got this one earlier. It's only $15 to sign up. It's cheap. If you can't make $15, that's per month. All right. We have a lot of great traders over there. Pop cap for 130%. Up in Caspa, really nice right now on that short. Got this one here earlier. What's this one? Caspa, 105% on a short. Now we're in another Caspa short. All right, so we're making money. All right, made my $15 back 15 times over today. All right, now you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 waves in here. Okay, we're working on the 4th wave pullback. All right, which should come down. Technically, let's get a line on this. All right, somewhere right around here. Might back test it. Okay, it's gonna come down here. It might wick down to the moving average, and poof, your final push is coming. 1, 2, 3. This is 4. 4 is about done, and 5. That'll be it. That's the end of the dominance run, and then roll over. Okay. Looks like Bitcoin could have one final push down here. I'll show it to you while we're doing this video. Right here. All right. Do not be shocked one bit. All right. It could take off here. That right in this area here is going to tell the whole story if it's going to go or not. Okay. Right in here. Has to break above, roughly above that. Okay. If it don't, it's more than likely coming down here to fill this fair value gap and get it completely filled up. Okay. Ended up coming down right to here on the gap. See that wick? All right. You could do another wave down that would finish a 5 set of Elliott waves. And this thing, with the target for it would be, you get over 10 hours of videos with that level 3 membership too, to teach how to do all this stuff. All right. Target would be 71.6. More than likely 73.5 comes down, hits it, and takes off. This thing should bounce hard. If it comes down here, it should go. I mean big time. All right, maybe dominance runs up while this thing's dropping, and on its way up, maybe the alts just absolutely smash it. You know what I'm saying? I could see that happening. So Bitcoin dominance is on its last hurrah here. It has one final push up. All right. Each one of these candles represents a day. All right. So you have wave 1, 2, 3. Wave 4 is finishing. One more push. And these waves take about what? You know, this wave here took 1, 2, 3 days. All right. This wave here looks about 3 days. So probably 3 days for this wave here. Your alt season could start within the next week. It could. You know, I'm not saying it's going to. It could. You know, if this finishes outright and this signals a top, you know, I'd be looking a measurement for a top on this dominance. You know, 62.62. So we're going to keep an eye on that, see what happens once it gets up here. But it's about ready, guys. I mean, you got the daily rolling over here. You got the big RSIs, the 12. The big ones up here, the weekly. All right, bearish divergence, showing weakness. The monthly, bearish divergence, just about ready to roll over. We're about there, so get ready. Thanks a lot, guys. Please hit that like and subscribe. Weeks is in the description of the video. If you need a trading site, please use the link. You get a bunch of sign-on bonuses. That's what we use for our price targets over in Discord. So please check it out. It's free to sign up. No KYC if you don't want to. And this party's about ready to get going. Have a great day, everybody.